Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment. Make sure you have admin right so changes stick. Open Microsoft Edge and click the three-dot menu, then Extensions to view installed add-ons. Once done, keep Mcafee running in the background so you can identify whether the pop-up comes from an Edge extension or from the Mcafee desktop app. This distinction matters because browser extensions and system notifications require different fixes. You now act on what you found. If an Edge extension named Mcafee or similar is present, toggle it off first and then remove it to stop browser-level pop-ups. If there's no extension, open the Mcafee desktop app and navigate to Web Protection or Browser Extensions, then disable browser integration. After making changes, restart Edge to clear cached behaviors, and then visit a site that triggered pop-ups before to confirm the messages are gone. Finish by blocking notification sources inside Edge. Go to Settings, Cookies and Site Permissions, then Notifications. Find and block entries related to Mcafee or its domains. If pop-ups persist, open the Mcafee app and temporarily disable notification alerts or pause real-time protection. This isolates whether the OS-level app is the source. Make sure to update both Edge and Mcafee, then restart your PC to apply fixes if it's still.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.